channel, and in today's video is all about deep conditioning and styling. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep condition my hair, and then afterwards how I style it using Camille Rose products. Now this is actually my second time using these products, and I fell in love with the stylers. Like, they are literally amazing. I want to try every single hairstyle I can using these products. I do want to give a huge thank you to Camille Rose for choosing me to be a part of the Heroes campaign, which is so exciting, and I get to try out these amazing products. I'm going to be using 3 products to show you guys today. Like I said, I'll be deep conditioning, and then I'm going to use 2 products by Camille Rose to style. So first, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the deep conditioner. Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. It's with cocoa and mango butter, and you guys, it smells divine. So it's a vitamin packed moisturizing and strengthening treatment infused with blue-green algae, and it smells so good. I honestly don't smell mango. I just smell like vanilla. Like, you know what it looks like and it smells like? It looks like chocolate chip mint, the green mint ice cream. Here's what it looks like on the inside, and you guys can see it has like a greenish tint to it, and you see those little black spots that look like the chocolate chip in the mint ice cream. That's exactly how this looks. So it smells so good, the consistency is great, and it's packed with a lot of vitamins to help moisturize and strengthen our hair, which is #1 in deep conditioning. Like, that's the whole purpose of deep conditioning, right? So this one is really great. This algae mask, it helps to prevent strands from breaking, shedding, and thinning, which is really great for the winter time, because that's what the winter wants to do to our hair. I don't know why the winter wants to ruin us. Like, I don't understand. But if you have this mask, it can definitely help prevent those things and keep your hair nice and moisturized and hydrated and strong during these cold winter months. So I separate my hair into 4 sections, and I apply the deep conditioner that way. I just want to start working in smaller sections just to make sure that I'm really getting a hold of every single strand of hair. You know, I don't want no strand missing out. So I've taken my hair down, and this is what it looks like, as it still has deep conditioner in it. It smells so good still, and it's nice and moisturized. Like, you can just feel it. Deep conditioning is so important, and using a great product like Camille Rose is even more important. So make sure that you guys check out this deep conditioner and you give it a try. I promise, you won't be disappointed. I'm back, and my hair is completely rinsed from the deep conditioner, and it's time for the big reveal. Are you ready? Look at that. You gotta love it. You just have to love it. Now let's head over to styling. So first, let's get into this leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is called Curl Love, and it's a softening leave-in conditioning cream with a light notes of macadamia nut and vanilla. So already off the bat, you guys know this is gonna smell bomb. This is what the bottle looks like. So it says, love your curls back with Curl Love Moisture Milk. Our softening leave-in conditioning cream with silkening rice milk and droplets of warm macadamia nut oil is crafted to hydrate and elongate hair strands. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair first as a base, and then I'm going to be jumping in using their jelly. The Camille Rose Curl Maker. Make Make your day with Curl Maker, a sweet defining jelly enriched with smoothing marshmallow root and golden agave nectar, crafted to nourish and define your curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this and pair it with this, and we're gonna make magic with this hair. Today I gave my hair some extra TLC with a wonderful, great deep conditioner by Camille Rose, and I also gave my hair some extra TLC with these amazing products. So I'm really interested to see what they're gonna look like, and I can't wait to show you guys the results. Okay guys, so my hair is 100% dry, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good, you guys. My curls are so defined and they're so shiny. They do have a cast, but I don't really mind it because it looks so good. But I am in love with the Camille Rose products, you guys. I'm so happy that I tried them out, and I'm so happy to be a part of the Camille Rose Heroes campaign, and I hope you all love this video, and I hope you guys also get a chance to try out Camille Rose if you want these amazing results. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.